May you be blessed with an ever-expanding life.
Hi, this is Billy from Ever Expanding Life. Welcome back. We want to thank you for all of your comments and feedback on the videos that we put out. And today, we're going to address one of those comments. Some of you have asked about the mold that was inside the air conditioner that we did the repair on. And I agree with you wholeheartedly. That mold should be addressed. So in today's video, we're going to open that air conditioner back up and clean it out. We hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get started. We've let the air conditioner sit over the winter and it's dried out. So a lot of the mold is just loose and will scrape right out. So now I'm going to see how much of this loose mold I can wash away with a hose. Setting the electrical components to the side to try and minimize the moisture that I get on them. Just using a fish tank brush here. Okay, now I've dumped out the water that was sitting in it and I have her up on her side. I'll clean it out a little bit more. Notice I have the electronic components at the top. Trying to keep them out of the water. And I'm going to try and keep the water out of the fan motor. We're going to try to hose out the other components. I've mixed up some bleach water in a bottle, so I'm going to spray it in here and see how much of the loose here I can wipe out. I'm going to put a screwdriver inside my rag so I can clean out between these blades. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off again. Now we're going to let that sit in the sun to dry while we clean up the other parts. I'm going to go ahead and rinse these off again. Now that we got it all cleaned up, we're going to let it all dry out in the sun before we put it all back together. Now that all the parts have had time to dry, we're going to put her back together. Okay, she's worlds cleaner now. Well, that concludes our job for today. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, may you be blessed with an ever-expanding life.
Ever expanding life.